In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Craigslist history. If you'd like to remove saved search history or manage activity associated with your Craigslist account, the process is simple and only takes a few moments. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to access your account settings, locate your saved searches, and remove items you no longer want to keep. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Craigslist website. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Account option. This will take you to the sign-in page where you'll need to log in to your Craigslist account using your account credentials. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. This page contains various account management options and allows you to review different types of activity associated with your Craigslist account. From here, locate the Settings section. This area contains options related to your account preferences and activity. Once you're in the Settings area, access the Account menu and select the option labeled Searches. The Searches section displays the saved searches associated with your account. These are searches that have been stored for future reference, making it easier to revisit listings or categories that you've searched for previously. As you browse through your saved searches, you'll notice a Manage section next to each item. If you'd like to remove a particular search from your history, simply click the Delete button associated with that search. The item will be removed from your saved searches immediately. You can repeat this process for any additional saved searches that you no longer need. This is a useful way to keep your account organized and ensure that only relevant searches remain in your history. In addition to saved searches, Craigslist also allows you to review your postings. To do this, navigate to the Postings tab within your account. Here you'll find listings that are associated with your account. If there are postings you no longer wish to keep, you can manage and remove them directly from this section as well. Taking a few moments to review your searches and postings can help keep your account clean and easier to navigate. It's especially useful if you've been using Craigslist for a long time and have accumulated a large number of saved items. Once you've finished managing your searches and postings, you can return to the Craigslist homepage by clicking the Craigslist logo located in the top left corner of the page. And that's how you can clear your Craigslist history and manage saved activity within your account. The process is quick, straightforward, and can help keep your account organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.